make something using gears. Now it's a little bit tricky. I'm thinking, what can I do that's going to use gears that's going to be interesting for children to play on? Maybe we can try to make some sort of moving, spinning toy. Something that's going to turn super fast. Let me think about this here. So, maybe we can start off with two of these together like this. Okay. What I want is something where I can spin here and it's gonna spin super fast over here. So I'm gonna put this here and we're going to build on top of that maybe something interesting. So we'll start off with our axle going in. I'll put base underneath it. Now, can I connect this upside down? Can. Okay, so this is interesting. We can make like maybe a roundabout. We connect this one in here using, this will be an idle gear. Our idle gear will go there. I see, that's going to be a problem. So that's what it's all about, guys, trying to find out what the problems are in your design. You can see right now the top of my seesaw is catching on the other gears. So to fix that, I'm going to use a bushing to give me a little bit of space. And instead of using clanks, we're going to make the rest of it out of our arms, which have axle connectors. So one here, and some seats for the children to sit on. Playground, one there. Let me see here, maybe we'll make like one there and one here. Okay, so that's going to work really well, but I still need to connect it to some sort of a handle. So we're going to connect our handle over here like this, maybe using a big gear, this gear. So we will have one more idle gear here. Stick that in like so. And then we're going to put this gear on an axle, using a bushing on the back to keep it all stuck together. Bushing on the top. And then I'm going to put a handle here. So now there's no convenient way to, let's try and do something interesting here. Going, just try to make it easier to actually hold the stick on the ground. I know how I'm gonna do it. This. Okay, so it's maybe not going to be the strongest Lego model ever made, but it should be okay, I think. Hold it here. Okay, let's try and make it stronger. That's no good if it breaks the first time we play with it. Let's make it a little bit stronger if we can. Maybe by doing this. This and this. There we go. So now you can imagine that's like a seesaw or a roundabout using gears. So you just turn the handle here, it's gonna make the gears turn around like this. I'll stick maybe a bushing very gently on top of that there to hold it all together. Wow! So our playground is coming around.